Hey everybody, so I'm going to go over some of the features that I like about the SkilSaw, the SkilSaw Circular 7 1/4 Cordless Mag 77 SkilSaw. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2019. Hey everybody, so I did take the liberty to put the blade on. It wasn't too hard. Righty-tighty is actually loosey, so clockwise is loose, counterclockwise is tighten. The wrench is down here on the magnesium shoe. I do like, it states on here on the depth. You can use it for plunge cutting. It says plywood 3/4, 1/2 inch, and 1/4 inch on the side. Right there. It says 2x lumber 1X. And it's got slots right here, which I'll eventually figure out what everything means. I don't use circular saws very often. It's very nice and smooth. I did notice on the back, if you remove the blade or before you put the blade on, there's a big round rubber bumper right in this area right here that stops the guard, which is nice. Has a blade brake. It's a nice magnesium shoe. I do agree with Tool Review Zone Clint. I'll put a card up here for his channel. I wish it did have more stops. There's this stop right here. It only has one, which is at the 45, but I do like it's very easy to read. Numbers black on white. The blade lock is right here. It's actually this plunger right here, which is also, I believe, the oil fill port. I have not looked at the instructions yet. It does have a nice rafter hook. I do like that it comes with a universal dust boot attachment. I do like the kind of gunmetal gray finish on it. Everything on this is metal other than the handle right here, and the secondary handle as well as the dust chute right here is plastic. Everything else looks to be magnesium, steel. It could all be magnesium. It does have a guide attachment right here, goes all the way through. It does say 045 in the center right there. It does have markings right here as well, 045. That's about it for those. I do want to let you guys know I did mount the charger, and it is quite loud. It wasn't too loud until I put the battery on. It was okay, and then about 10 or so seconds after the battery was put on, the fan got extremely loud. It is flashing right here, which is nice, and it is showing you what bar the battery is charging at right now. I have the secondary battery right here, but I wanted to show you guys that. It doesn't really bother me because this DeWalt super fast charger or rapid charger is quite loud as well. It's just not as loud as the SkilSaw charger, but that's not bad. It's not hot. I do feel air going into the battery. It is actually quite cool. You can actually feel it on the back of the battery right here. You can actually feel the air coming through it. It's pretty cold air. All in all, I'm gonna use it, see how I like it, come back and do another video on it. Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be somebody out there that is going to tell me, you know, everything about this and what I'm calling it is wrong. I do know the way it's sitting right now, if you go down with the saw by loosening this, it's a plunge. I'm not a woodworker, I'm a mechanic. I do know how to make stuff with wood, I do know how to repair stuff, but you know, the only other circular saw I have, well, I actually have more than one. I have this Milwaukee, which I've been using a lot, which is the 5 3/8 circular saw, which I haven't had any issues with that. As well as I have a Porter cable corded circular saw, which, remove these, is right there, which I will probably be either putting in the shed, or the barn, I mean, I should say, or I might be putting that in my dad's hands. You know, I asked him to borrow one a while back. I tried to repair it. I did repair it, but it didn't work for very long for my dad. I guess whoever had it before him messed up the wires, and it just, he used it a couple times and it just completely quit. Instead of asking me to check it out again, he just threw it away. I might be giving that Porter cable to my dad, just, you know, because he always lets me borrow tools that I don't have. But I'm going to use it, see what I like, what I dislike. I do know that Clint from Tool Review Zone, like I said, I'll put a card up here for you guys. He is putting this saw up against the DeWalt FlexVolt, as well as the Milwaukee M18, and he did put it up against the Makita, and I will see if I can link each one of those video comparisons he did. I'll try to link them up here. So I'll put like the Makita one right here, and then I will then put the SkilSaw versus the Milwaukee, and then the SkilSaw versus the DeWalt FlexVolt, as Clint calls it, the Flexi Sexy Volt, I think is what he calls it. And then, which in the later future, I will probably be getting the FlexVolt DeWalt as well as the Milwaukee. I'll have, at that time, I'll have 3 cordless circular saws. I'm thinking about putting a different blade on each one. One, you know, have a framing blade. One specifically has like a very fine cutting blade for smooth cuts. And then maybe putting a different blade on the last one. Not sure yet, but I guess we'll see when we get there. I do have some projects that I would like to use this SkilSaw on, and I wasn't going to pass up the $3.99. I also did a video on that. I'll link that up here for you guys. It was a Acme Tools promotional video. If you guys want to go check that out, feel free. I'll probably put it on the end cards as well, if that helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go read some of the instructions, get more information, more acquainted with it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.